This one's been voted for by you. Welcome back to another Landscaper Talk topic, and today we're going to talk about what makes a good landscaper. This was voted for by Nottingham Landscape Group. So what they consider, what I also consider, what makes a good landscaper. Number one, reliability. Someone that is reliable. So when we say we're someone who's reliable, someone that is consistent, someone that will always do what they say, someone that will always turn up when they're going to quote, when they're going to turn up to the job. You want them to be reliable and they can count on you. A client wants to have that kind of faith in you. They want to know that your paving slabs are going to be reliable once you've laid them, that they're going to be there for a long while. So having good reliability is playing the long game and the short game at the same time, knowing that you're going to be reliable, you're going to be there, and that your patio and your project that you're doing is going to be reliable for the future as well. Good communication. So having good communication with your client is key, I think, to winning a lot of jobs and also through the whole process of doing the job. Having good communication helps you talk about a product or procedure confidently to your client. So having good communication, you can stress what the product does, its benefits, its downsides, without pushing them too much to something, say, you want to lay, but something that they will want as long as they understand everything to do with that procedure. And also the installation of a product. Do they understand how it goes down? How much mess it's going to make? Is it going to stain easy? Is the product 100% waterproof? That kind of stuff. And good communication certainly helps you on projects and helps you come across very confident to your client. Number 3, problem solving. So being a good problem solver is a big one, I think, because as a landscaper, you probably come across a lot of different things. You might have some things that are not in textbook normal, and being a good problem solver helps you come around a problem. Let's just say you're digging out a site and you come across some giant boulder in the ground and it's attached by rebar to something, and you're wondering what's going off here. Why is it in the ground? Why has it been buried? And you've got to figure out a way of breaking that up and getting it out. Also investigating to see what it's actually there and it's not covering something. So being a good problem solver in that case helps you get around the problem. The client sees that, knows that you're in safe hands with them, they don't have to worry about anything. And also, not everything fits into a box in landscaping. So not everything's got the same manual. So there's certain things you come across when you're doing a project that takes a little bit more thinking power. So being a good problem solver helps you get around these things. Again, communicates to the client that you're confident in what you're saying, and just gives them the extra budge to know they've chose the right person. Number 4, technical skill. So technical skill. This is a good one. I think this elevates your game if I'm honest. It takes to the next level. So if you've got a certain skill set within the landscape in which showcases your work more, then it's only going to get you more work. This could be simple things like bullnosing some paving on site rather than buying it in. It could be from creating bespoke pergolas or gazebos. It could be from creating cantilever seats, anything that's a bit not the normal. These technical skills just elevates your work and shows it off so much to people thinking about having their gardens done. There's an excellent guy on social media called Ben Broad, actually, for that matter, and you should go and view any of his stuff. He does some amazing work, nearly out of this world. I'd suggest go and look at that stuff and you'll understand what I'm saying. Last but not least, being a good listener. Actually listening to your client and what they want out of their garden. Like in a lot of modern gardens nowadays, people want the porcelains, they want the composites, they want their contemporary looks from it. Not everyone wants that. So going to a client, listening to what they want to get out of the garden. Do they want a big patio area? Do they want a smaller patio area? Do they even entertain? Having a big patio is nice, but if you're never going to entertain on it, does it need to be that big? Or do they have kids? Do they want a play area? Does that include bark? Or does that include artificial grass? They might be dead against artificial grass. Some people are. So being a good listener, listen to what they want, and then in turn with communication side of things, you can communicate what's practical about their garden, like will it aesthetically look nice together with certain products, and just listening to what they've got to say, because also they might be telling you about any cables in the ground or drainage. They might even say, oh, someone's already done something to our garden before and found this problem. So actually listening to your client will help you price a job up correctly, I think. And that's your top 5 what makes a good landscaper, all voted for by Nottingham Landscape Group. And I hope you've been enjoying these videos. I'll be doing more of the talk topics. And if you'd like to like and subscribe below, I'll be very grateful because it does help. And we've got some bigger things coming your way.